Good evening, teacher and classmates. Today we will talk about the avatar.
And the story is recreated in the garden of a house where Bunny Fabiana and Bunny Gladys live.
One day, Gladys the rabbit and Fabiana the rabbit were in the beautiful garden and they saw a mouse named Milagros who was looking for cheese to earn a living. She something thought very concentrated with the two rabbits. Fabiana, look at her! There she goes again! Hurry up or you won't keep up with that mouse.
Oh, but Bunny Gladys, how long are you going to continue with that? There is nothing special, essential, or unique about that mouse.
Of course I do. Haven't you seen her long tail? How fast is it?
Sometimes I think you are a moron, Bunny Gladys, please. The animal is colorless, clumsy, dirty, transmit ditches, invade place and people don't want it. And you want to be like her? Don't take it too personal.
You must try to calm down. I would love to have a tail like that. I'm incredibly shy about showing my ridiculous little tail.
Hello, Rabbit. How are you?
Oh, hello, mouse from Milagros. We're fine, but not better than you. Can I tell you something? I wish I were you.
Really? Oh, thank you.
Yes, if only I had been born with that tail like yours, I would be very happy. Anyways, I thought of many adventures.
Many. I have had to run many times in different directions. Heroically escape from more than one room and make fun of more than one human, and all to get a loaf of bread with cheese. But I always believe in no pain, no gain. It means you have to carry on even if you are tired and suffering. And don't give up when there are any problems. There are mice who have learned new ways of escaping too.
That's sure, a lot of adventure. It must be very exciting to spend your life running to a run. It will be a know that she was a little started and it will be her end.
If you weren't so big, I would invite you to live my adventures, Bunny. But at the size, no matter how fat you are, they would catch you in an instant. This is for a special animals like me, unique with dexterity and in go shape. Although browns were made to sweep the ground and not to kill mice, I definitely see myself as an essential animal in people's lives.
Oh, that's right. With this chubby body, I can't help but wait for me carrot and let the children play with me.
But less people chorus you and treat you well. Nobody says disgusting or yells when you see you. You're a beautiful animal. But yes, beautiful, very idiotic and insecure.
Hey, Bunny Gladys, I only wish to give you some advice before I go. That rabbit is very envious for you. She wants to cut your dreams. If I were you, I would get away from her. If I decide to have a friend, I wouldn't have a friend like your friend. I only wish to remind you of that.
Get out of her mouth, Milagros. She's my friend. I will take care of her. I wish that you're away, and if you decide to have a friend, I will not have a friend like your friend. I say the same.
I better go.
Let's go get our food, Bunny Gladys. From experience that in the long term dreaming isn't a big science, I did it in my childhood. I prefer that you stop dreaming about the adventures of that Milagros mouse. If only I could dream, I choose to be honest to always win in life. I saw the mouse who visited you. Don't do it anymore.
May why in the same garden?
The Bunny Gladys answers the scene. He puts on the screen in the distance and begins to search without feeling anything. Help! Help! Help!
Mouse, Milagros, what happens to you?
Bunny Gladys, help me escape the trap. If the owners of the gas station arrive, they would kill me. This long nose tail made me fall into the trap and put my life at risk. Thank goodness you arrived. I wish I had a short tail for this moment.
Okay. Okay, done. Wait, I'm going to find a way to help you. If I had remembered that your long tail is troublesome, I could have been looking out for you. Who would have thought that your tail would almost be the cause of your death? I thank God I have a very short tail.
Thank you, Bunny Gladys. I owe you a favor. I never forget your help. As I'm more agile than you, at some point I'll be able to help you. I practice my training method because I always forget to pay attention to the noise. I think it's very essential and beneficial for me. If I had been focused, I wouldn't have had a problem.
I don't believe Milagros Mouse. Sorry, I just realized that I wanted to be like you. If I had loved myself as I am, I would not have had any insecurity from my tail. I will begin to accept and love myself. I know you are very essential, but they will never be better than mine. Good luck, Milagros, and watch out for traps. There won't always be someone to save you. Bye, Milagros. Well, guys, did they just see everything that happened? Don't do what I have done. Love and accept each other. They all have great value. Thank you.
Yeah.